Um, yeah, craziest thing. Uh, I hit stop on the bricklaying script and like journey or like side quest, OBS, and hopefully just those, like all at the exact same time, just like disappeared. Just like it was as if the stop button, like literally, I just hit the stop button right here on this script, and it was literally as if this stop button on this script, um, was the stop button for all of those things. Why it was the stop button for like at first I just kept talking because I was like, oh, it accidentally stopped side quests at the same time because like this like if I'd hit the stop button on this tab then it would have if I'd hit it on oh and PyCharm is frozen. PyCharm is frozen now. Great, great, great. Good thing I compulsively hit Control Save all the time, because that I don't know. Well, so yeah, no, that was I don't like so right. Literally, my reaction was just like I have no clue what happened. I just like all right, and then I was like, maybe I'll just call it a day. But no, like I was saying before, if I quit right now, like if I stop working right now, there's zero chance that I'll ever get this like working again ever. I'm just like checking other programs to see if they're still working or if they got frozen magically weird. Um, Maybe I should stop using my bricklaying script. Maybe my bricklaying script is making things crashy. But if my bricklaying script is making things crashy, that's a disturbing thought because I don't know. Uh, I mean, like this bricklaying script is supposed to be like the. No, I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure everything's fine. There's nothing wrong with the bricklaying script. It's so good, so good. Uh, yeah, I don't know. I just have to chalk that up to either PyCharm being weird or like some other. I That creeps me out that OBS just like disappeared. It didn't even give like an error message or anything. Like it was just coincidence that I actually noticed it. The only reason I noticed it is because my taskbar is like right next to this stop button. So like I just happened to notice that the OBS thing had disappeared. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, all right, whatever. It's been a weird day. I guess the whole internet is having a day, or like I guess my computer is having as much of a day like that as I am. So it can feel maybe my computer is like empathic and it can feel like my distress and is like I don't know sympathy pains or something. I'm gonna try hitting the stop button and hey look OBS is still around. Look at that. All right. So we can probably restart the script again and I mean I'm not gonna make any assumptions anymore. I'm just gonna like if things work, that's great, and if they don't, like that probably makes even more sense from what I can tell, because like things just don't work anymore. Is like the conclusion that I'm coming to. Um, all right, so yeah, what was I even doing? That was so disorienting. Like that was especially disorienting. The whole day has been really disorienting, but that took the cake. So let's oh yeah, so I was putting growth pause back in. Oh yeah, right. I was looking for places where GM display name was different. Uh, so GM or GM name or no, not GM name, GM active. Places where GM active equals false. Starting from the top. Uh, so yeah. And so basically what we do in these cases is we just put in this if growth paused, then we schedule for like the near future, yeah. So GM equals with false, event frame time, event time equals frame time, blah blah blah. Let's delete these plus signs and then indent this, and then oh, I hope we're not dragging in like weird invalid characters. One time I did a diff using Notepad++, and it put in all these like secretly bad characters that like they were invisible, but like they caused errors in the script. It was like, I don't know. All right. So right. So this is the case where we do +10 because the event is going to happen in 60 seconds. This is the one where event is going to happen in 60 seconds. So we still do we still whoops wait, I don't know what I just did. I have no clue what just happened. I think I hit a keystroke and then like nothing happened, but I guess that's fine. No, yeah, in this case, we're still using +10 because like if like 20 seconds, like I try and put at least like a 10-second buffer between like things, and if I only have 20 seconds to accomplish two things, then like 10 seconds it is. Okay. Uh, this one, what is this one? GMX equals false. Oh, this one. Yeah, what did I do here? I forget. Hold on. Let me look in the diffs. Uh, this is the one where. Oh, it was probably below this. Yeah, it was below this. This is the one where. Yeah. Okay, so we just did 10 again. 10 is like the most common, I guess. I think in some cases I did 30 if I knew I had like extra time, but yeah, 10 is fine. Just like that, I think. Uh, yeah. Oh, but then we also did. Oh, yeah, event status. I'll do that. I'll do that later. That's not really relevant to what I'm doing right now. Okay. So, oh wait, that was the last one. Really? Uh, really? Did I miss one? Yeah. What's this one? Where's this one? Huh. Weird. It's like missing. Or maybe it just got reorganized. Maybe it's just in a different order. Yeah, that makes sense. Uh, oh, is this it? Yeah. Maybe this one, right? Yeah. And this one's 30, right? Yeah. I thought I started from the top. And I guess I just missed that one. Maybe I didn't. Maybe that was the time I forgot to start from there. Oh no, no, I didn't start from the top. I was going by context cues, and I assumed because it was the first one that we'd encountered in the diff changes that it would be the first one, but I forgot that we reorganized different parts of the code. So yeah, okay. So yeah, let's go back up to the place where we just were and continue on, onwards and upwards, twirling towards freedom. Um, uh, where am I? Who am I? What's happening? What is this place? Um, so what is this? No, I already did this stuff. Wait, no, yeah, I was on the other side of this big green block. I just was not on the other side of the big. Yeah, I was right here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so name tag list. What is name tag list? Oh yeah, right. Yeah. Name tag list is for yeah. So when we're doing init growth, yeah. So for when we're doing init growth, uh, we when we're doing init growth, we don't just keep track of the eligible list anymore. We keep track of the name tag list because oh yeah, this is a new thing. Name tag list equals blank, and then so the name tag list is just the ones. What is it? It's like just the people who actually like benefit from it. It's like, oh, what is this eligible name tag? Oh yeah. We got rid of name tags and stuff. It's like all this name tag ready business gone, right? Am I right? I think so. Wait, was that right? I think so. Yeah, that was right. And then, but then instead we append the player to the name tag list if they're gaining experience and stuff. Oh, wait, not so indented. Uh, and then, yeah. And then, right, so then we append them all together, and then we send out the name tag list uh, as a message. When do we do that? We do it like right here. And it's not append anymore, it's put. Put. Okay. So, yes. Yes, sir. What is GitHub and how do you use it? Um, it's not that I won't answer your question, it's that consider Bitbucket instead. Like, GitHub's good and all, but Bitbucket is free. I mean, GitHub can be free, but GitHub is only free for public projects, whereas with Bitbucket, you can actually use it for free with like private projects, like your own personal private projects. Um, and so the as for what they are, they're basically like places that you like. It's like, okay, let's say you're playing a game and like you have like a save system, right? So like if you ever die, you can go back to your previous save. It's like that, but for your code. It's basically like a way that you like save your code. So that way, like not just your code either, like your entire projects. It's like you just save your entire project. Like every night I check in my project and it's basically like saving it. So if anything ever goes wrong or if I ever lose my computer or my data or like, I just mess things up for whatever reason, I can just like go back. I can just go back to how it was. I basically hit reload and then I don't have to worry about losing my project. It's fantastic. Core, hey, how's it going? Welcome. Uh, so, yeah. Um, what have we got going on here? Good stuff, I hope. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Uh, what, yeah, so bad init message. Yeah, this was just a little thing that I, like, put in that was like, sure, why not? This goes in the init block. Oh, you know what? You know what bug I probably left in again is this one. I didn't change this to an if statement. It's still an else if statement, which is not correct. Whoops, not supposed to be unindented. Yeah, right. So I just the other thing I put in though is like just this like else case for this whole block, so that way, like, I don't think I'm ever gonna send a bad init message, but I might. Actually, I did earlier, right? When I like changed my code, I forgot to stop. Oh, and I did it again, right? I like anim. I'm still like initializing. Oops, no, not there. Uh, I'm still initializing. Right, I'm still initializing the schedule with an anim event, which there just isn't anymore. For example, so yeah, was there something else? Oh no, so then, right, that was the place where I erased this from, so that's going to be the big red chunk. We can scroll past that, and then, alright, so was this, oh yeah, we took out the delayed frame message, because that's not going to be indicative anymore. We put this in instead. Or like, we moved the delayed frame thing. So, right, so, oh, we did that here too. Okay, good. Well, good then. Good then. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely. Top notch. Pip pip. Am I in the wrong document? No, I'm... Whoops. Whoa. Whoa! If you double click on that thing, it does that. Um, what type of backups are you talking about? Oh, yeah, the question was, what is GitHub? And so we were talking about version control. Oh, yeah, so right, we were talking about GitHub and Bitbucket, but like, if you want to talk about like what those are like two examples of like services like that. But if you're talking about them, that like concept in general, it's called like version control or like source control or like stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. So yes, let's continue on. Where's this? Where's this situation? Action tags. Oh, right, yeah. Sure, this is in voices, I'm pretty sure. If we go to voices, when we set up the action tags, like, where is that? It's like the first thing we do, isn't it? It's like right here, right? Yeah, act keys. So where does this go relative to like the R stir? Yeah, so it goes like right here. It goes like right here. Is that we? Oh yeah, and we put. We don't append. Put. Uh. Oh no. Sorry to hear that, Core. I don't have the power to make people less sick. Otherwise, I would totally do it right now. I'd be like, blammo, less sick. But that's not within my skill set. So I'll just say, I hope you get better soon. Uh, um, so, what is this business? Oh, this was just like a balance thing, which I've already applied. Probably. I bet I've applied this already. Event points pool. Yep, I applied this change already. Okay. Whoops, what am I doing? Actually, I'm going to slide this over here, just so it's easier to click between the two. And so what is this? This is, oh, more part removal. I already like chopped all the parts and stuff, so. Oh yeah, this is the other thing I was going to put in, was, where was this that I put this? Remove player, apparently. Oh, fade time. Yeah, fade time. Uh, so yeah, check fade. Right, so it was right here. Where did it go? It was like right at the end of it, right? Right before event midtime, yeah. So like here. Bloop. Bleep. Blorp. So wait, this is supposed to be slightly indented. How indented is this supposed to be? This is supposed to be more indented. Yeah, right. So if we pop the player, then we say, yeah, right. Okay. Save that. And then, so, yeah. Let's continue. We're almost there in terms of like slapping in things that we did yesterday. And then I'll want to slap in the things that we did this morning. I guess. Kind of. And then I have to do like the real work, I guess. Because like, I don't know. What we're doing is still very different than what we did yesterday. And we're still not there yet. I don't know. We might be closer than than my like dour perspective has been implying. But like, I just don't feel like we're going to be there for a while. I don't know. We'll see. Could work out great. Everything could go so swimmingly. So wonderfully swimmingly. What is this business? Oh, the growth? Huh. Interesting. So I get rid of, alright, so let's go to growth, because apparently I got rid of one thing and then added in a different thing instead. Oh, yeah, no, I know what that was about. That was, yeah, it's because, like, yeah, it was just part of that, like, that change that I made about, like, the timing of, like, yeah, so there's this, like, awkward, occasion where a growth event would try and happen during an event. Like, a growth thing would, try and happen during an event, and it would previously it would just like try like the protocols were just to if it tried to happen during an event and couldn't, then it would just try again 60 seconds later. And sometimes it would happen like right at the end of an event. Like if it happened like 58 seconds before the end of an event, then like the event would end 58 seconds later, and then 2 seconds later the thing. And so like I don't know, I just felt like spreading it out a little bit. So I was just like, really not an important change, but like whatever. It actually, this is like what I changed it to is more akin to how it had been like a long time ago. And like I cut that because, well, basically I had to change how, like when I switched over to the scheduling system, I'd never really bothered to put in like something a little more deluxe. And yesterday I was like, whatever, feeling fancy. No, but I had a reason for it too, because of like how the name tag system works, I guess. So name tag list, what is this? Oh, right, this is the other situation where we're with a growth, like, opportunity. I really need to come up with a term for that thing, because I always sound really awkward when I'm talking about, like, growth opportunities or whatever they're called. It's like init growth. Is that what it is? Or like init growth, maybe? I don't know. No, it's not. Is it init growth? No, no, no. We already did init growth. We did init growth was the first one that we did, right? And so we have like the name tag list, right? No, no. So now we're no, yeah, no. This is the one where we're doing it for actual like growth. Um. Uh. Yeah. So right, like before, the eligible with the eligible list, we want also the name tag list, and then when we're doing stuff, we want to do other stuff, and then good stuff, and stuff with things, and like other stuff, and sorry, I'll say real things. Sometimes I just say fake things instead. All right. Actual num players plus equals one. Right. So after we accomplish all of that business, we put this message on the graphics messages, and that's all we have to do there. All right. So really close, you guys. Really super close. Actually, we're not that close. I just remember there were like most of this page, like most of the vertical scrolling on this page is those two giant chunks where we like moved like a ton of stuff. So even though we're close to the bottom of the like even though we're like 85% of the way to the bottom of the page, like that 15% is like much more dense than a lot of what we scrolled past already. Oops. Oh well. So let's do what then? Let's just keep on. Keep it up. Keep up the great work. All you guys at home. You're nailing it. I'm really impressed with all of you. I just wanted you to know that. I think I'm feeling like in better spirits. I think like I've accepted my fate. Where is this happening? Oh, Nudge GM. What is this Nudge GM? Oh wait, no. Is this one of those like? This is one of those growth things that I already did. Oh, but I do still need to do the event status. Oh yeah, yeah. Event status messaging. That is also important. So yes, let's go to the place where we nudge the GM, and right. So event on equals 1, and so let's also set like so put in a graphics message for the event status to be false. Yeah, and what else? Okay, and then I mean I did it in a different order this time, but I mean yeah, whatever, that's fine. Okay. So this is another growth thing. Oh yeah, bad schedule item. Yeah. Again, I just it occurred to me like I should put in like some messages for like or like some error catching or like error whatever logging for situations wherein something got in the schedule, and like because if it got into from like a typo there's somewhere in the script, like the messaging system is much more prone to typos because like they're not going to raise like a code error, they're just going to like fail to like activate. Like nothing's going to crash, like PyCharm's not going to tell me anything went wrong. It's basically just up to me to catch it, and that'll make it slightly easier since we are logging all of that data. Okay, so name tag ready. Where's this happening? This must be, oh, tweet late. Interesting. So let's go to tweet late, and then what was it? It was like, yeah, this name tag ready thing. Yeah, right, because like name tag is now on a different thread. Okay, so again, it's messages put. Right, there are only 2 instances where we have to replace this name tag ready thing, if I recall. Apparently the other one is not quite here. What is this? Oh yeah. This is a change that we made, kind of like the other one that I did before. Like so this is when a GM is initiating an event through chat, and we're just checking to make sure that they're the correct number of events. And if there are not the correct number of events, we're making the number of events correct manually by force. No, I mean, but yeah, kind of. So, what is this about? Oh, wait, this is more like growth pause stuff. and then we do also, yeah, like when we're mentioning the growth status stuff, we do also have to uh, handle the messaging for um, the event status as well. So whenever we say event on equals 0, we're putting this message in the queue. And then, so we did the growth pause thing already. Right, so this is the other place where we replace the name tag ready. Or no, there's 3 of them actually. Right, because there's tweet late, there's, wait, tweet late? Really? We don't show name tags for people who participate through Twitter. Why would we do that? I don't think we're actually supposed to do that. Maybe that might just be a remnant from like when I thought that I might show Twitter name tags. But it doesn't really hurt anything. It only really hurt it if, yeah, right, because Twitter players can't come out of lurking mode. Like, the only way to get out of lurking mode is to participate through IRC. So I guess technically you could come out of lurking mode if you had linked accounts, you played through Twitter, you joined IRC, and then you continued playing through Twitter, such that your character never left the simulation. But whatever. Okay. That's kind of like an edge case. And I don't even care about it, so. Both of those things. Alright, so this is, right, so this is late participation. So, whoops, why is it default me over there? Late, yeah, so where is it? It's like the, right, name tag ready, we can replace with name tag status as put instead of append, and then, alright, so, yeah, so what is this business about? Acted, oh yeah, right. Right. So this is important. This is oh, and the gamma badge business. Yeah. Okay, because this is this is how we keep track. So right, so we don't want to spam. Like, we could like So yeah, so the way the it used to be that like when the data and the graphics were on the same thread, like there was no, like we could just like update like some of these statuses that like some of these statuses that affect how the player displays, like how their character is shown in game. We could just toggle those at will, and like they would render then appropriately, like as we wished. And the thing that changed is now that they're on separate threads, we have to be a little bit more deliberate about how we like adjust these values, or like, so like, because like if we sent a message through every time a player took an action, that would be like so superfluous. So we only do it in the case that like their status actually changed, like only the first time. So now instead of like once ever for each player for each event, it's only once for each player, like ever, basically. Not ever, but like every time they like join the game. Okay. And then, right, so we also do this gamma badge thing because for the same reason. We don't want it, so like we check whether they has the badge up front, because we only actually send the badge message in the case that they gained the badge, not in the case that they just meeting the criteria is not relevant. It's only if they met the criteria and they hadn't previously met the criteria such that they what is this acting business? Acting equals false. I don't know what that means. But I left it like that before, so I'll leave it like that again. Q? Wait, what is this? Oh, yeah, right. This is when they come out of lurking. This is when players come out of lurking. And I guess, yeah, we just don't care about Q anymore. So we took that out and we put this in, and it just happened to take its place. Okay. Parade. What is this business about? Oh, right. Because there's no reference to parade outside of the database anymore. So, wait, what's this whole fade time, frame time business about? Why is this new? Present? What? What? What is this madness? Oh, okay. I see what it's trying to tell me. It's just that. Right, so this is the new part. Except that part's not even new. This is the only new part, and the other parts just get moved around, but they like framed it strangely. All right, so wait, what case is this? This is uh, yeah. Wait, where the heck is this? Uh, oh yeah, this is well yeah. I guess it'll be like in the only reference to parade. Where's that reference to parade? I guess hold on, wait. Let's just parade. Wait. Oh, did I already get rid of it or something? Because like I just looked for parade and it brought us all the way down to uh, the graphics rendering. So I guess I actually already got rid of that part. But wait, did I add in the import? Did I add in the remove player? Oh, yeah. I guess I must have gotten rid of it when I was going through and getting rid of all the part. Yeah, I must have gotten rid of that already. Okay, so I just need to add in the. I just need to make sure I add in the remove player. Oh right, so yeah, right. So that was when we were processing the part messages, right? Okay, so right. Okay. So quit dictionary name, quit dictionary. Where does it go? It goes. Oh, it goes above this part. It goes up here. For add player? Wait a second. Remove player? Oh, that must have been a typo. I feel like that was supposed to be add player. Because, like, when a player joins, like, we're supposed to add player. Uh. Uh. What? What? I don't get that part. I'm gonna look at how it turned out. Gthread. Join. Wait, what? No, not go to line number. Look for join. Yeah, wait, no. Wait, what? This doesn't look anything like what that thing describes. Where'd the remove player thing go? What? Where am I? What's happening? No. I don't know, I just expected a little more in the way of something like it described in this change. I guess I changed that again already? Maybe that was in there by accident? Player dictionary pop name. Part message. Oh, is it? Oh. Oh, here we are. Yeah. Alright, that makes more sense. Alright, so yeah. So it goes down here. Ta-da! I know, it's, I wanted to make sure that or thank you, Graham. I'm glad you like them, because I wanted to make sure that they convey the accurate sense of, like basically, the urgency levels that my messages express are like how they tend to be a factor of like how likely it is to happen. Because if it's something that's really likely to happen, then the message is more like, oh hey, this thing happened. But if it's something that's like crazy and like technically shouldn't actually be possible, it like that's when the messages get a little more severe. Um, um, all right, so that's all good. And what is this business about? Name tag equals 0. Oh yeah. I just realized that this thing wasn't strictly necessary. So let's go down. Why does it keep defaulting over here? Oh, because I keep clicking over there to get back to this window. Nah. Okay. Let's go down to author. Right, because I was just realizing like this is not actually necessary, and so I just got rid of it. And then was I right in my assumption of this other stuff? Sorry, I'm gonna go back up to the remove player because I did interpret the rest of that correctly, or I did adapt the rest of that correctly. Yeah, because I was just getting rid of part, and there's no references to parade, so yeah, I think we're good. Okay, we're actually almost to the bottom of the thing, so that's also exciting. Uh, oh, except I haven't done any of the internal stuff, like the stuff that's internal to the graphics processing, but that actually won't change as much as it did last time. Instead, what I have to do next instead is like to do that same process, but I have to do it to the other thing instead. I mean, I do still have to change a few things. Like for example, I have to set up I do have to set up the separate player dictionary. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong is for when the is for, that's for when uh we get a ping command. So what happens is we get the ping. The script says ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong to debug output, and then it sends to the server, I love you. What Trusty Bard says to Twitch, I love you, and then Twitch says back, unknown command. That's how it goes. So that's why you always see ping followed by ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, followed by unknown command. Twitch servers do not understand the concept of love, unfortunately. Um, okay, so name tag list. Wait, what is this about? Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, right. We do name tag list again because we do name tag list also for gaining for like participating in an event and like gaining experience that way. So this goes with like the passive val stuff. Passive vowels. All right, so energies, passive vowels, name tag lists. And then, so this business seems to replace like the whole Q true name tag to acted business. So it kind of seems to usurp this position. Yeah. All right, and then okay, and this should be indented. And then, whoa, TwitchCon.com is live with ticket sales, hotel info, and panel submissions. Well, how about that? Oh crap! I clicked on it and now chat went away. Go back. Go back. Go back. Stop. Be chat again. Shoot, hold on. I don't have chat right now because I accidentally clicked on that little thing in my chat window. Go back. Go back. Back. Oh, there you go. Is that? Yeah. Okay, good. It's back. I got chat back. Sorry though, if you said anything in chat recently, I probably missed it. Sorry. I was busy getting distracted by that little pop-up thing. Yeah. So, right. Yeah. What what the what? Okay, so yeah, so we did this, and I think this is mostly good, except again, name tag list is supposed to be put instead of append. Wait, name tag list? No, wait, no, name tag list is supposed to be append. Right, then there's this other bit at the end where we append it to graphics messages, and that is supposed to be. Oh, you know what's funny? Is like, I just said graphics messages. Yeah. All right. Well. Oh shoot! Did I do that? Did I? Did I do that the other place that I did this too? Yeah, like I wrote graphics messages and then just like I forgot the dot put. Yep, that's kind of important. Okay. Wait, so what's this name tag list? Okay, no. Oh, right. So we send this out at the end, right? Okay, so we're still in the process of putting this list together, and we'll send it out at the end. Okay, so yeah, like before, I forgot the dot put, but other than that, I can remedy this situation. Hey, I'm gonna say that in chat, and I'll be super witty. Haha! Bam! Haha! Look how witty I am. Okay, sorry. um, the yeah. So where does this part go? This part goes here, if I recall correctly. And this is supposed to be way less indented. It's supposed to be like this, undented. Oops. Oh yeah, right. This plus sign is ruining everything. Okay. It goes like. Oh wait, no. This one is slightly more indented. Right. Okay. Oh, and I forgot the dot put again. Dot put. Okay. And then so the rest of that should be okay. And then I'm just trying to think of like when I get to like that big giant block of like crump that I like the whole anim block, like the whole graphics block that like I'm not really doing anything with at this point. I'm just trying to think of like what want to be doing at some point, and I still don't know. I don't know what would be the I don't know what would be the most like straightforward. What would be the easiest? I guess. Oh no, I know what we can do. But I won't worry about it. I won't. I know what we can do. I won't worry about it yet. Right. So I think I just did this one. I think I haven't done this one yet. So for player key, yes, yeah. Oh, energy, yeah. Energy is a little weird, a little different, but sorry, I make weird noises with my face. Sometimes when I'm not even expecting or intending to do it. All right. So the energy is right. So this is right after we do this. We do this. Right? Yeah, right after we calculate the energy, like percentiles or whatever. Do to do. Delete. This should be slightly more indented, like so, and this should be graphics messages dot put. Yes. So yeah. All right, and then this is the last time that we replace name tag ready with this name tag business thing. And then wait, name tag list dot append player dictionary GM name? No, just GM name, not player dictionary GM name. What the heck? That's weird. I don't know why I would write that. Name tag list dot append player dictionary. No, that's not right. That's not right. Oh, did I do that wrong in both cases? The name tag list, did I? Name tag list dot append. Oh yeah, I did it here too. It's player dictionary. No, it's just supposed to be p key, not player dictionary dot p key. Player dictionary index p key is the entire player data, but p key is just the name. We just want the name. So hey, congratulations, whoever leveled up. So yeah, I mean we do want to do this, just not the wrong way. So where does this go? This goes after. Oh yeah, this is the GM business. So it's after the name tag stuff. Yeah, down here. So the key. Oh yeah, right. We replace name tag ready. Yeah, right. Okay, so again, it's not player dictionary index GM name. It's just GM name. And then lastly, we will send off the entire name tag list, and now it'll actually be somewhat correct. Wait, this goes right on the very next line, right? Like right down here, yeah. Right, and graphics messages dot put, and What did O say to Q? That is delightful. That is. You really have to see that joke in print in order to get it. Excuse me, sorry. Um, okay. Sorry. It's not that funny, but it's funny, and I'm a child, so. Um, all right. So what is this? So for transition. Oh yeah, I already made that change, so I don't have to make that one again. What is this? Oh, this is when I was getting rid of part, right? Or no? Yeah, this is another one. Like I don't know why it interprets it so weirdly. But really, all I did here is I got rid of this like reference to dot part, which, or I got rid of the reference to the parade and the reference to dot part. So yeah, and it just like shows that weirdly for some reason. All right, so graphics messages, event status, right? Yeah, so this is another case where the event status is set to 0, so we'll say graphics messages dot set event status false, and then growth paused. What is this an else case too? Something about nudge to the GM schedule sort. I don't know. An else case to GM active. Yeah, because we don't have to worry about the growth paused if the GM is active, then growth will still remain paused. But otherwise, if the GM's not active, then et cetera, et cetera. Schedule, yep, and then what is this? All right, that one we already updated. This one we already updated. What is this? Oh, this is conclude event. Conclude event. Where did I put it? I put it right before show event data. Yeah. So bleep bloop bleep bloop bleep bloop, and then yeah. So all right, this is like the last one basically for now. Okay, so event status. Oh, have I been updating? I think some of these events or graphics messages I forgot to change them to put, so I'll want to do a quick spin through to make sure most of them are correct at least. Graphics messages put event status, yeah. And then oh yeah, growth paused, yeah. And then should be indented. Yeah. Okay. Save that. And then yay, we did it! This is the end of run data. Yay! End of run data forever. No more run data forever. So I'm not gonna do it right now, but to handle the rest of, to handle the diff between like the graphic stuff, I'm going to I'm just gonna I'm gonna drop the I'm gonna drop what we have. Excuse me. I'm gonna drop what we have here versus the Gthread version into in Notepad++. You can compare two sets of text, and it will tell you what the differences are between them. And so I'll do that to see what the differences are. And yeah, and then for right now though, should I do that now? Sorry, just 1 second. Oh, cool. Yeah, from sorry, just checking some external sources, consulting an expert opinion of my mobile device as to what's happening right now. I'm going to switch over to Facecam, and thank you to everyone. Thank you especially much to everyone who stuck around today, because not only did the stream cut out for no particular reason, and not only did I say earlier that I was going to stop streaming and then didn't actually stop streaming, but today was just a mess. Today was just a complete mess. No matter what you thought of today, you have to admit that today was a complete like crash failed crazy fest. All right. Well, I mean, it wasn't like that bad, I guess, like because like, we got a lot done, and we like solved probably the biggest problem that we've like had since the start of this project, which is stuff like that. I so I guess I just really appreciate that you guys hung in there through all of that. It means a lot to me. So I'm gonna yeah. So I'm just like on my other computer. You probably realize I'm looking for like another game dev stream. Oh, so I'm not plugging my headphones correctly, or is it just not working? That's weird. It's like still using my computer speakers even though I have my headphones plugged in. I don't know what that's about. But wait, so what's happening here? All right, well, I'll just go with this one. So yeah, thank you everyone for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys again in the near future. And until next time, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are. Bye guys. Bye. I should probably stop making stupid faces and stuff at the end of the stream, but I don't know, maybe someday. For now, I'll just enter the host command, and if you're still seeing this, it's because the host command didn't work on your platforms. Have a good whatever day it is where you are.